Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and I happen to love coffee. I love my coffee area in my home, and I really was excited to try this pour over coffee maker. This is by Lalord, and it is a really wonderful pour over carafe. It's made from borosilicate glass, which is a very durable glass. And what's really nice is normally with a pour over, you put boiling water in and then it kind of very quickly can get cold. But this one being so well made and a double wall, you can place right onto your stove, and that way the coffee will stay nice and hot for you. The container has a beautiful wooden center holder so that you can easily pour it without feeling you're going to get burned from the glass. The stainless steel filter is awesome as well because it's so well made. I don't have to worry that oils will accumulate on it, and I don't have to worry about buying paper filters. They were really very thoughtful because I like the shape of the glass, that it has a divot for pouring. If you want to get a nice, consistent, very smooth coffee, I would really say go for the pour over method. This container in particular is just so pretty, and also it's super durable and really great for all of your morning coffee needs. And that's my point of view.